In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your name on Facebook. Many people think it's very simple, but if you don't follow the correct steps, your name change request might get rejected or Facebook may even restrict your account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, because at the end, I'll share 3 important tips that 90% people don't know. And these tips will help keep your account much safer. Alright, let's start. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now look at the top right corner, you will see 3 lines, tap on it. Now scroll down a little, you will see an option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, then tap on Settings. Inside Settings, you will see several options. Tap on it. From here, tap on Personal Details. Here you will see your account information including your profile names. Tap on it. Now tap on the option called Name. Here you can edit your first name, middle name, and last name. Type your new name very carefully because you can change your Facebook name only once every 60 days. So make sure the spelling and format are correct. After typing your new name, tap on Review Change. If you face any problem at this step, feel free to comment below. I will try my best to help you solve it. Facebook will now show you how your new name will appear on your profile. Finally, tap on Save Changes. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more tips and tricks.